Hello again at Çobanlı Art Center, the authorized seller and service provider worldwide for a design award and competition. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to complete your profile after registration. Once you've logged in, head to your dashboard and click on Edit Profile to begin filling in important details. Start with your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and nationality. If you're part of a company or design studio, be sure to add those details as well, including your company's name and contact information. Next, highlight your education and experience by listing your academic background and any relevant work history. Don't forget to add any awards or recognitions you've received. Write a short bio and include portfolio links to round out your profile. Lastly, make sure you put your profile score as high as you can. A complete profile helps the judges get a better understanding of who you are. That's it for today. And as always, Çobanlı Art Center is here to help. Share and subscribe for more tips and updates on a design award and competition.